Did you know that a simple home repair tool set could save you hundreds of dollars in service calls each year? Whether you are a first-time DIYer or a seasoned homeowner, the right toolbox can make all the difference. From quick fixes to weekend projects, a well-equipped tool kit is essential. In this guide, we are revealing the 5 best toolbox sets that offer unbeatable value, durability, and versatility. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. DEKOPRO 158-Piece General Household Hand Tool Kit. The DEKOPRO 158-piece tool set stands out as a well-balanced middle ground between a basic toolkit and a professional-grade repair set. With a robust mix of hand tools, this kit is great for tackling everything from minor home fixes to moderately complex repair tasks. It is particularly suited for homeowners and renters who want to be ready for a wide variety of situations without having to build a tool collection from scratch. What sets this kit apart is its solid build and thoughtful design. The tools are made from stainless steel with a polished chrome finish, offering both strength and corrosion resistance. The selection includes pliers, a ratchet with socket attachments, screwdrivers, a wrench, a tape measure, and a rip claw hammer, tools you are likely to use frequently for household projects. One of the strengths of this set is how organized and compact it is despite offering over 150 tools. Everything fits neatly into a sturdy, dirt-resistant toolbox that is easy to store and carry. Number 4. KingTool 325-Piece Home Repair Tool Kit. The KingTool 325-piece tool kit is designed for those who want a truly complete and expansive tool set that leaves little to be desired. With over 300 individual components, it is the most comprehensive option on this list and fits the needs of homeowners, mechanics, and serious DIYers who frequently handle complex repair tasks. This kit includes virtually every common tool you might need: ratchets, socket sets, pliers, screwdrivers, a hammer, measuring tape, adjustable wrench, and an extensive variety of bits. Everything is housed inside a hard plastic storage case with a sliding drawer for added organization, allowing for quick access to tools and easy portability. Number 3. DEKOPRO 228-Piece Socket Wrench Auto Repair Tool Set. If you need a toolkit that goes beyond household basics, the DEKOPRO 228-piece tool set delivers serious variety and versatility. This set is designed not just for home repairs but also for more involved automotive and mechanical work, making it a fantastic option for hobbyists, home mechanics, and DIY enthusiasts who want more than a basic kit. This tool set contains a full selection of sockets, ratchets, combination wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and more. Whether you are assembling furniture, working on your car, or tackling workshop tasks, you are likely to find the right tool in this comprehensive set. Each item is forged from chrome vanadium steel and coated in high-polish chrome, giving them extra strength and corrosion resistance. Another strength of this set is the variety of socket sizes and driver bits included. Number 2. Apollo Tools Original 39-Piece General Household Tool Set. The Apollo Tools Original 39-piece tool set brings charm and functionality together in one neat package. Perfect for light home repairs and everyday tasks, this kit is a popular choice among first-time homeowners, college students, and anyone who wants a reliable starter tool set without breaking the bank. One of the most appealing aspects of this kit is its thoughtfully chosen selection of tools. It includes all the basic hand tools needed for routine tasks, such as hanging pictures, assembling furniture, tightening door handles, and even opening packages. Number 1. CARTMAN 39-piece tool set. The CARTMAN 39-piece tool set earns the top spot for its excellent balance of practicality, compact design, and affordability. This set is ideal for anyone who needs essential tools for household repairs, from hanging picture frames to tightening screws or assembling furniture. What stands out about the CARTMAN kit is how thoughtfully the tools are selected for everyday use, rather than overwhelming the user with rarely used specialty items. Despite its affordable price point, this kit includes a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, tape measure, and several other tools that come in handy for most basic repairs. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.